One thing that does confuse some people, and it's not always covered in school, but I think for real life it's good to know this, is that we can also have centilitres. There are 100 centilitres in a litre. Some things that come in bottles, such as wine, will be measured in centilitres as well as litres. In this jug here, we have millilitres on one side up to a litre and centilitres on the other side up to a litre. If we put 75 centilitres of orange juice in that jug, you can see that the 75 centilitres is the same as 750 millilitres. As with units of length, where there are 10 millimetres in a centimetre, with units of volume, there are 10 millilitres in a centilitre. So we multiply the centilitres by 10 to work out how many millilitres we have. So that's 750 millilitres. For the litres, we don't quite have 1,000 millilitres. We don't quite have 100 centilitres. So we know that in the litres it's going to be less than a whole litre. The litres will be nothing, and then it'll be 0.75. 0.75 litres in 75 centilitres. If we have 217.5 centilitres, we need to multiply that by 10 to find out how many millilitres we have. So that's 2,175. We have 217.5 centilitres, and we know that there are 100 centilitres in a litre. How many whole hundreds of centilitres do we have? That's 2. So the litres will be 2 point something, 2.175. The last one, just working back the other way, we have 0.09 litres. That's far less than a whole litre. We need to multiply that by 100 to work out what that is in centilitres. And that's 9 centilitres. And to find the millilitres, we either multiply the litres by 1,000 or we multiply the centilitres by 10. We have 90 millilitres. Here are some for you to try. Pause the video, have a go. Starting with 2.5 litres, we have 2 whole litres, so we know that we're going to have 200 and something centilitres. That's 250. And the millilitres is going to be 10 times more than the centilitres, so that's 2,500 millilitres. Now we have 64,295 millilitres. To convert that to centilitres, we divide by 10. That's 6,429.5 centilitres. We've established that there are 64,000 millilitres, so that's 64 whole litres. And in the centilitres, we've worked out that we have 6,400 centilitres. So we have 64 whole litres, 0.295. The next one, 850 centilitres. To find the millilitres, we multiply that by 10. So that's 8,500 millilitres. To find the litres, we divide it by 100. We know we're going to have 8 whole litres because we have 800 centilitres. The odd 50 centilitres is half a litre, so that's going to be 8.5 litres. Finally, we have 8.7 centilitres. To find the millilitres, we multiply that by 10, so that's 87. To find the litres, we divide 8.7 by 100, and that's 0.087. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.